I'm good.
So you see it come in the hole.
Yeah, it's in the hole. Nah, if you want to, go ahead. Okay, we got the hole cut. Then as we push the generator in, you'll see the pipe coming this way. Cool, huh? Welcome back to Ken's Corner. Guess what? Got another project. And we already kind of started on it. This is one thing that I think I said earlier in the year, end of last year, that we went out and bought another generator, got rid of the other one. We bought it's a Predator 3500. It's one of those Harbor Freight inverters. They're really nice. They're really quiet. For the money, you can't really beat it. So even this is a used one, but got a good deal on it. So we're gonna go ahead and use it. Anyway, got some modifications to do to this, of course. One thing this one does not have a remote start. So we're gonna go out and purchase a wireless remote for this and get this thing installed. And I'll show you kind of a brief overview of how all that's gonna work. But anyway, we got some modifications to do the generator box to get it in here. So we've still got that to figure out. We haven't even really had this thing sitting on here yet. It's barely going to fit. We might have to end up taking the wheels off for it to fit. The opening just a little bit small. This is about 20 inches tall, I think, with the wheels on it. So that opening is about 19 3/4. But if I take the wheels off, I think it'll fit right in there. So we just have to wait and find out, see if that's going to fit or not. So anyway, like I said, we're kind of got the project already started. Just one of these quick little videos saying, hey, we are getting stuff done here as I promised. So I just still have to go out and get the wireless remote kit. Then once we get that, then we'll test all that out. Then we'll start test fitting it, trying to get it fit in here. Then get it all wired up and all that stuff. So we should be ready to go for this race season. And one thing about it, will be a lot quieter this race season. Not saying the other generator is that noisy, which it was a little bit. This one is so much quieter. So here, I mean, it fits. We got the wheels taken off and all that good stuff. But we need to adapt it now to our generator box, because the fuel's kind of offset to one side, the exhaust is offset or more toward the middle. So we're going to be doing some things to the generator box. Used to have a vent here. Okay, now we got that taken out. What we're going to do, we're going to replace it with even a bigger vent over here. So we're going to open this up quite a bit. We're going to have the exhaust coming straight out this way. So we got a lot of things that we're going to have to do to this box to get this generator working functionally in this box. Up on top, we're going to have to enlarge this hole so we can get to the gas on top of the generator. So we got a lot to do. So with that, let's go ahead and get after it, and I'll show you all the steps we did to get this thing done. So here we go. Got a hole. Got many holes. Now we got big enough area for our generator exhaust. So there, now we have access to the gas cap. Before it would stop right here. We had to reach under. Now cut this out. It's a bigger opening, but it'll work. Okay, got the flex pipe coming through. You see the opening. We're getting ready to get that up there. Got one of these jam nuts up here. Ready to put that in place. We got this support here. That's going to go just like that. Help support the output of that. So give us an idea of what we're trying to do here. So waiting on Pops to give me a 1/4 inch drill so we can make this hole a little bit bigger to fit that. Okay, we got the grate on. Okay, this is actually a 20 by 20. Then what I did, I outlined where I'm going to cut the exhaust. This is where the exhaust is going to come out. So I have to cut these fins off. I'm going to use my Dremel high-speed cutter, and hopefully it'll take those right off. So let's go ahead and get the grill taken off, and I'll show you what looks behind it as well. This is the exhaust hole. That's what's going to come out there, hopefully. I'm good.
So you see it come in the hole.
Yeah, it's in the hole. Nah, if you want to, go ahead. Okay, we got the hole cut. Then as we push the generator in, you'll see the pipe coming this way. Cool, huh? Okay, so the only thing I have to do now is get the bracket in place, hold this, keep it from moving around. Put something to rest on. Got to paint the grate back to silver, and at least this side of it should be done. Okay, what we did to the back of the generator, we had got this flange put on, and what we did, we used them as high temp RTV and going to make our own seal. This will help keep the gas from leaking out, you know, with inside the generator box and stuff. It's just a good way to secure so we don't have a lot of gas inside the generator box. But anyway, we got one of these flanges, got it all drilled and all that stuff, and this is 3/4 inch pipe. This is not quite long enough. Pop's going to go out and get a little bit longer one, so we have something to attach it to. Okay, and we're going to be using this flex pipe to attach it. You know, the flex pipe was attached to here, but anyway, that's what's going to attach to the end of this. Then this is going to go out through the hole, what you see in the very back there. Hopefully that makes somewhat sense. I don't know. I hope it all works and stuff. So far, everything's been working great. We just need to go ahead and show you what else, or how everything's going to get connected up. Still got a fan to put back in. We have actually an exhaust fan that we got in the box. That helps keeps air circulating, pushes air out of the box and stuff. We still got to get that mounted back in here. So we got a lot to do. We still got a lid to create on the top for the gas. So like I said, this the hole for the exhaust coming out. Still got to paint this. So lots to do. So anyway, with that, we're going to call it wraps for today, and we're going to go ahead and probably work on this later on part of this week. Tomorrow Sunday, so might not get too much done tomorrow. If not, we still got plenty of time to get stuff done. So anyway, until then. Okay, we got the generator sitting inside, and I'll show you what we did on the back side. Okay, we got our our fan mounted here. Okay, we got our bracket in here, and we test fired it to see what would happen. It would sit here and rattle. So what I think we're going to do is get some of that RTV high temp stuff, put underneath it, help isolate it, then we're going to just clamp it down here for now. So if we need to service it, all we have to do is take off this screen on the outside here, then undo the band clamp. Should be pretty easy to get to. So, but yeah, no, it came out pretty good. So what next task is to do this. Then we're gonna have to work on the top here, get our new lid in place. But we did test fire it just to see how it reacted and made a little noise only here. So anyway, okay, time for another quick update. Generator. That's right, we got this sucker done. We did get the remote starter on it, so now we can start it up with the remote. It's a Predator 3500. Anyway, we got the remote starter from this guy right here. It's a plug and play. It comes with really great instructions. I think we paid like $100 for it. But anyway, very good detailed instructions. Just kind of go through it, you know, tell you how to install it. What's really nice, you just come over here with this remote, flip this one switch on, turn it to run. You hold, I think it's A and C at the same time. See if this happens. Oops, try again. That didn't work. Hang on, probably not do it the same. There we go. takes off run. Then you just hit B, and that should kill it. Like that. Turn that off, back to off. Pretty cool, huh? So now we got remote start. That will go there in the box. Excuse the tripod. Anyway, that'll go in here. Still didn't get the exhaust put on. And connect everything up, and we should be good to go. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and call a wrap on this project. We got pretty much everything done on it. I might show another picture toward the end of the video of it sitting there running and stuff, but it's a good to go on this project. So anyway, if you do like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So if you've got any comments, go ahead and leave down in the section. I'd like to hear from you. So anyway, we're done with this project. Got some more exciting ones coming up. But other than that, I'm out here.